So this is all supposed to be land. None of this is water, usually. Except for the river all the way back in the back there. You can kind of see it from here. Wow, this thing goes far. Yeah, the outlet is right behind that tree there. And it just keeps going. You can kind of see it flowing back there too. This is what's really crazy. Just all underwater. And that door on the front of this house was completely covered this morning. So it's gone down quite a bit. It was actually, we have lines up here. That's the line that it's at right now. It's still going down a little. But it was, you can see the debris here. That line of the debris, and then there's the line that it was at. But it also, at some point last night, got up to up here. You can see a little bit of debris from up here. That's where I'm parked. Right here, there's some water debris. It's crazy.
Well, I saw it go by, and I wasn't sure quite where it ended up.
The sandbags on the windows. You can see the water line over here on the bags. If I zoom in here, you can see all the debris against it. Let's slow down at this next entrance. Oh no, the disc golf course. Well, this is really... Don't drown my car, please.
I don't intend to.
But this also is a little bit blocked off too.
What's the honk about?
Hey, don't go through that.
I know that it can, but okay.
I don't want to.
Here,
You're in neutral.
Just to go through what they can. But I don't want to.
Yeah.
Well,
Wow.
I'm fine with it.
Well,
like, I would drive through that because I know the depth of the road.
you gotta go slower.
I know the depth of the road.
Boogie. Bridge gone.
Shall I turn?
Yeah.
Especially since there's a car behind us.
Yeah. Yeah, it's usually a park. Yeah, there's not usually water there, is there?
Nope.
Yeah.
Technically.
Mancino's is down. You can't really see the water. Oh wait, there it is. Shit. No. There we go. It's crazy. There's a car stranded out there. I can't really see this. Mancinos. Wow, this thing goes really far. Wow, that zoom is crazy.
I can't really see your screen well enough.
Look at that. You can, yeah, I know, it's hard to see. You can barely fit the entire Mancino sign in the frame. Roses. We'll miss you, Roses, for a little bit. Hopefully all these will come back out. We'll open back up. There's Ollies, there's Roses. Dunhams. They got some kayaks that are kind of going out. There's Ollies. Yeah, this is a lot of water. And this all goes right up to here. It's crazy.